Hi everybody, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Timmy the Enchanter. All right, so to start with, we are going to have a little dot here. We're gonna take that dot down diagonal, diagonal. Then we are going to draw a line like this and this. Okay, and we're gonna put the horns here, and the horn is gonna come out. Then we're gonna come around like this and meet up with this line, and then have this one, whoop, like that. So it's like, just a little thing right there. Then it's gonna follow up here and come up here. And there's his one horn. We can also draw some little curvy lines on it to make it look more roundish as opposed to flat. There we go, one horn done. Now comes the other. So we're gonna come out, then we're gonna come over here, come around and stop. And we're gonna come here, come around like that, and then we're gonna come back up. And there are two horns. And here's his lines to make them look round, which are basically like letter C's. There's his horns. Okay, now we're gonna draw the hat. So again, I'm gonna put a little line, a little dot right there. I'm gonna have a little dot down here, come across right there. Then I'm gonna connect those. There we go, and that's the top of his hat. And then it's gonna come down, in. Make sure I get this the right length here, down, around, and up. There we go. And then he's got his Fu Manchu beard. Like there. And then it's got another part right here. Oh, he's so cute. There we go, and I'll connect that. Now, I need the face, so I'm gonna continue this down like that. Continue this down like that. And then we've got a great big circle eye. And we're gonna put a little light in it. Fill that in with black. There we go. And then he's got a little eyebrow. All right, then we're gonna put another one over here. There we go, so I get them lined up. Light spot in it. And another eyebrow. Here we are. Oh, super cute. And I think he's got like a little something there, a little lip there. Okay, now we're gonna draw his hand. So his hand is gonna be about at the bottom, kind of right in here, all right? And we are not afraid of hands, are we, maniacs? No. So there's one oval, two ovals, three ovals, four ovals. And then we're gonna draw another oval right here. That's the thumb. Then we're gonna give him a staff. So it's just gonna come up like that, and then it's gonna come down. Oh, He's holding a staff. Excellent work. Okay, so now we're gonna draw his shoulder. Here we are. Now we have another hand over here, but it's a little bit lower because it's hanging down. So we're gonna come about right here, draw an oval, and another like, this one, he doesn't have many fingers showing, but we'll put a little line there for, you know, because his hands are like round, he's grasping. And then we've got a line above it for his cloak and a line that comes up, out, in, and then looks like he's got his cloak comes down, kind of lines up with the staff, comes across, it's kind of jaggedy, and then he's got some like pants or something. I don't know. Timmy, do you have any feet? Maybe not. And then it looks like we've got some little decorations on that. And it looks like maybe he's got a what's the thing called? Oh my gosh, my brain. Cape. There we go. So that would be his cape. And so this will be a different color than this, and that'll be the other side of his cape. Okay, well, this request did not include the rabbit, so I will leave the rabbit out. But there you go, Art Maniacs. There is Timmy the Enchanter. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.